Don't impress, be yourself.
Be yourself.
The more you impress now, the more it seems to be fake.
Or like Netflix and chill, something like that.
Netflix and chill.
The guys who are like literally like act like a playboy are the really good boys.
What makes a perfect first date for you?
For me, like no cafe and all that. We just I want to spend more time.
Yeah.
So we can go like, example like Carbon Park, like something like a park, so that we can spend time. What about it?
Or like Netflix and chill, something like that.
Netflix and chill.
ये सब क्या देखना पड़ रहा है अच्छा है मैं अंधा हूँ
A perfect first date. It's like he should not call me for like Netflix and chill in the first date at my home. And it is very scary. I'll immediately block that person if he's calling me for Netflix and chill. It should be something like definitely outdoor. And depends upon like, you know, if his budget, wherever he wants to take me, unless it's a public place, it's fine with me.
If a guy is too nice, do girls get bored?
If a guy is too nice, it's actually, we are very scary of that because we feel like it's love bombing, because a guy who's like planning to do something shitty, he will act too nice.
He may be a psychopath.
Yeah, exactly. Because he's trying to like hide his like, you know, that the evil side of him. The guys who are like literally like act like a playboy are the really good boys. And if they act like too nice and all, we are like run.
देखो मैं रो नहीं रहा हूँ मैं खुशी में मेरे आंसू निकल रहे हैं ना मुझे बहुत गर्व है
If a guy is too nice, do girls get bored?
Yes.
Yeah.
Why? Like, he's a nice
Because,
guy.
yeah, he's a nice guy, but you know, girls sometimes they need to, yeah, they need if they get too much attention, then they get bored. So
Give attention.
not that much also.
Not that
Yeah.
you should always do some fighting and
Yeah, that should be there.
Some drama and
Yeah, then if it's always like, you know, something like it's always like he's giving you attention, then that's not
nice guy,
true.
whatever you say,
Yeah, that's not
he'll
true.
agree for you.
Yeah, that's
Should not agree every time.
no, not every time.
Nice.
There should be some drama.
Drama.
Yeah.
Okay. What do girls secretly check first in a guy?
In a guy,
Yeah.
looks,
Looks.
look,
Like
no.
not particularly in looks.
height.
I,
Okay. His fashion or style.
okay, for me, looks does not matter that much.
But
I feel like personality matters the most. Like he should value me and respect me.
first, you don't know each other. Like,
Yeah,
what is
like
But also personality.
yeah, personality means he should be like caring as well.
Caring.
Yeah.
okay. What do girls secretly check first in a guy?
Probably his notifications and maybe like, you know, yeah, once I went to a guy and he's like, he's not even like talking to me. He keep on like texting and snapping the food to his friends and all. Then I realized like, you know, and it's okay if he's not fashionable and all, I can change him like in terms of fashion and all. Yeah, but like the way if he's looking at other girls or like notifications too much, these and all. If he's busy, that's fine. But yeah, that's.
What is something boys think is attractive but girls actually hate?
Boys think it's attractive, girls actually. In a boy or a girl?
In a boy or anything? In a boy or in a girl?
In a girl.
In a girl only.
girl,
Okay.
yeah.
In a girl.
He thinks it's attractive, but we actually hate it.
Yeah.
What is that? Everything, I think.
What everything?
Yeah, it's like they think without makeup we are attractive and all, but like, yeah, it's not like we are insecure or something, but like, yeah, still we like to put on makeup. They hate it, like most of the guys they don't like makeup when we put makeup and all. They want us to be natural.
Yeah.
And like, but still, we don't like to like, you know, go without makeup unless we are too comfortable or like moving in together or something.
Girls actually hate.
Yeah. But boys think that it is attractive.
It looks attractive. I guess like boys think ki girls look good in figures and all that shit, but we don't. It's just like a weak point for us, you know. Yeah.
Why?
Because few girls, you know, they have. No, I'm not telling it's a bad thing to have good body, but you know, get a lot of bad attention too. So I feel.
So that
Yeah.
should not.
No, you should be like not like, you know, you have good body, then like, you know, you'll have bad attention, and then you'll get, you know, bad vibes from guys. So I feel like, yeah,
Who's trying to impress a girl? What advice you would give to him?
you tell.
Just don't like go and ask her too quickly. You know, like play
First
with
only
her.
don't
yeah.
ask number or Insta, you know.
If then
First-
what she, suppose I'll tell you a scenario.
Okay.
He saw you somewhere. he want to approach you, what he should ask you? Like how he
Let
should
him
approach
come and
you?
ask. Like, let's have a good conversation first. Like, suddenly, like, can I get your number? Like, that's weird, right?
First have a good conversation,
Yeah, so
then
that we can know how he is. Like, you know, we can get to know what kind of a person he is. Suddenly, you cannot give someone's number or Insta ID, right? So, if you get to know him, it's much more better to get a.
Yeah.
What advice would you give to boys trying to impress girls?
Don't impress, be yourself.
Be yourself.
The more you impress now, the more it seems to be fake.
Okay.
Be yourself. If she like you, she'll like you. If she not, it's not worth it. Don't try to fake. If you're starting only, you put too much effort, she'll be expecting the same thing in an entire relationship, then you'll be fucked up later on because you can't continue that effort.
शाबाश बेटा बहुत बढ़िया
Is it okay for a guy to double text if a girl doesn't reply?
Yeah, sure. Why I want him to be like nonchalant? I don't like guys being girly and all. Like I met a guy recently, like we went to dating and all, and he was like, I don't chase girls. Like, why is acting so girly? You are a man, you're supposed to like chase. Not like chase, matlab stalking and all. But like, yeah, double text if she's not texting.
Don't be creepy, just normal.
Yeah, exactly. It's not like too much, like, you know, being clingy and all. Double texting is 10,000% time because sometimes your girl will check on you if he's interested in me or not. She will intentionally not reply you to check on you. So please double text.
Boys,
Is it okay for a guy to double text
Okay.
if a girl doesn't reply? Suppose I texted you, you don't reply,
हाँ.
then is it okay
दूसरे
then?
बार reply
दूसरे
करना.
बार, हाँ.
I mean, yeah.
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 Maybe you could have replied on a first message only, no?
Who know? We might be busy. So I feel like
That doesn't mean he'll be texting always.
Yeah.
a
Not
double
every
texting
time.
is okay.
Double texting is okay, fine.
First time we might not know, like we might be busy. Second time, like something is important, so we might reply back.
Yeah.